Circles Part 8.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. Find the equation of the normal at point 3, 5 of this circle. So, see here, given circle x square plus y square minus 10x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. So, find the center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? 5, 1. Okay. So that is minus g is equal to 5 minus f is equal to 1. Okay. Now therefore the equation of normal at p3, 5 to circle 1. So this is x1 y1 is y minus y1 by y1 plus f is equals to x minus x1 by x1 plus g. So what is y minus y1? Y minus 5 by y1 plus f. F is minus 1. Y1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. X minus x1, x minus 3. x1 plus g. 3 minus 5 minus 2. So 2 1 are 2 2. So this is minus into y minus 5, that is minus 5 plus 5 is equals to 2 into this 2x minus 6. So therefore the required equation of normal is 2x plus y minus 11 is equals to 0. So see the next one. Find the equation of the normal to the circle at 3, 2 and find the other point where the normal meets the circle. So see here, given circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equals to 0. So see here, so this is the given circle and this is center of the circle. Okay. Suppose P be the any point on the circle, that is 3, 2. So at that point we have to draw the normal. So clearly normal is always passing through the origin. So this is tangent line and this is normal line. Now this is point P. And here you want to find the equation of this normal and also find this point. Okay. Suppose that is some q x comma y. So see here, first find the equation of the normal. So 2g is equal to minus 4, 2f is equal to minus 6. So g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 3. So therefore, the equation of normal at point 3, 2, this is x1, y1, to the circle 1 is y minus y1 by y1 plus f is equals to x minus x1 by x1 plus g. Y minus y1, that is y minus 2. So divide by y1 plus f, 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. X minus 3, x1 plus g, 3 minus 2, 1. So this is y minus 2 is equal to minus x plus 3. So this is x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the normal. And also find the other point where the normal meets the circle. For example, let qx comma y be other point and Q meet the circle. Okay. So clearly normal is passes through the center of the circle. So therefore C write as midpoint of PQ, that is 3 plus x by 2 comma y plus 2 by 2. So what is C? It is the center of the circle. Center is what? 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 is equals to 3 plus x by 2 comma y plus 2 by 2. Now equating the x and y coordinates. So what you get? 3 plus x is equals to 4, y plus 2 is equal to 6. So x is equals to 1, y is equal to 4. Therefore the other point is what? 1 comma 4. So see the third one. State necessary and sufficient condition for the line to be a normal to the circle. So see here, given circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is the given circle and this is the center of the circle, that is minus g comma minus f. And given line is what? Lx plus my plus n is equals to 0. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Here you need to find necessary and sufficient condition for the line is a normal to the circle 1. So here equation 2 is normal of circle 1. Then equation 2 passes through center of the circle. So because of, if every normal line passes through the center of the circle, so this is the normal line, suppose this is the tangent line. So clearly this normal line passes through the center of the circle. Now substitute the center in equation 2. So therefore center minus g comma minus f lies on equation 2. So that is L into minus g plus m into minus f plus n is equals to 0. So therefore the required condition is Lg plus mf is equals to m. So see the next one. Find the length of the chord formed by the circle on the line. See here, this is the given circle. Suppose this is the line. That line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. So this is the center of the circle. Okay. So right here, given x square plus y square is equals to a square. So center is 0 comma 0, radius is 0. Now the perpendicular distance from C to the line is D. So right here, therefore D is the perpendicular distance from center of the circle, that is 0 comma 0, to the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. So therefore D is equals to modulus of p by 1, that is cos square plus sin square is 1. Now find the length of the chord. The length of chord is 2 root of r square minus d square. So that is 2 root of radius of the circle, that is a square, and d is what? Mod p. So d square means p square. So this is the required length of the chord. So see the next one. equation of chord joining P of theta 1 and Q of theta 2 on this circle is x plus g cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y plus f sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 is equals to r of cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. So see here, this is the given circle. So this is the center of the circle. See, minus g comma minus f. And suppose P be any point on this circle. Now clearly CP distance is R. This is point x1, y1. Then how to find P? Using parametric form. That is P of theta 1. That is x1 plus r cos theta 1, y1 plus r sin theta 1. So what is x1 minus g? So P is minus g plus r cos theta 1, comma, minus f plus r sin theta 1. Okay. Similarly, Q be any point on the circle and CQ distance r. So Q is minus g plus r cos theta 2 minus f plus r sin theta 2. So these are the two parametric equations. Now using these 2 points, you can find the equation of the chord joining P and Q. So see here, given circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So let P is equals to what? Minus g plus r cos theta 1, comma, minus f plus r sin theta 1. And Q be minus g plus r cos theta 2 minus f plus r sin theta 2. Now you need to find the equation of PQ. So this is x1 and this is y1. This is x2, y2. So therefore, the equation of chord PQ is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So what is m? That is slope of the PQ line. So see here, y minus y1, that is y plus f minus r sin theta 1 is equal to m, that is y2 minus y1 minus f plus f, get cancel. Here r is common, we will get sin theta 2 minus sin theta 1. So divide by x2 minus x1. So r is common, you will get cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1 into x minus x1, that is x plus g minus r cos theta 1. Here r get cancelled. Now this is what? Sin c minus sin d form, that is 2 cos theta 2 plus theta 1 by 2 sin theta 2 minus theta 1 by 2. Divide by cos c minus cos d form, that is minus 2 sin theta 2 plus theta 1 by 2 sin theta 2 minus theta 1 by 2 into x plus g minus r cos theta 1. So here 2 get cancelled and this sin get cancelled. Now this is what? Y plus f minus r sin theta 1. Now cross multiplication, what you get? See here, y plus f into this, y plus f into sin of theta 2 plus theta 1 by 2. Okay. So next, minus r sin theta 1 into sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 is equal to minus of this one is, that is x plus g into cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. Cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. Next, minus r cos theta 1 into this. Minus r cos theta 1 into cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. Okay. Now x plus, now send this term to the left side, then you get x plus g cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y plus f sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. And send this one right side and r is common. You will get sin a cos b. Next, now we will get sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. Okay. Next one, minus into minus plus cos theta 1 into cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. So clear, this is what? Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, that is cos of a minus b, that is cos of theta 1 minus theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. Now this is what? R times of cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. So therefore, the equation of the chord joining P and Q is what? X plus g cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y plus f of sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 is equals to r cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. So here P of theta 1, Q of theta 2 are any 2 points on the circle. Then clearly PQ is the equation of the chord. If Q tends to P, so means Q and P are equal, then angles also equal, that is theta 1 is equals to theta 2 and the point is theta. So then this chord tends to tangent line at P of theta. So means substitute theta 1 and theta 2 as theta. Here what you get? X plus g of cos of theta 1 plus theta 2, that is theta plus theta 2 theta by 2, that is theta, plus y plus f of sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. Again we will get sin theta and r times of cos of theta 1 minus theta, that is 0. So therefore the equation of the tangent at theta of the circle is what? X plus g cos theta plus y plus f sin theta is equals to 1. Okay. So for next session we will discuss more concept and problems.